Okay, so I'm out here, I got a little bit of time to shoot. I just loaded up a fresh CO2 into the chaser, and I got some bottles set up out in the yard. I think about like 100 feet and about 150 feet. I don't know if it's going to be able to hit the ones on the farther line. I've got the rifles out, but here we go. Just try standing first. So this is without the stock. I found the stock to be not really comfortable. I didn't like where I placed the gun for my for shooting, but it's a little windy. I'm just gonna ride with that excuse for all of these misses. Let's try it over here. No. Okay. Forgot to keep track of how many shots it was. 2 hits so far in a row. 3 in a row. So that's the 100-foot line. Open sights with this 22. With the crosswind. Nope. Okay, so 3 in a row is my best so far. Oh, that's a hit. It didn't knock it over. Must have hit in the top of the bottle. Nope. I'll try to go for one of these long ones. Alright. Let's go for iced tea. Right in the middle. Yeah, those are going to be really hard. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that. I'm pretty wobbly here. Alright, I'll try sitting down. See if that helps a little bit. Going left. It's really hard to tell how to adjust. Let's see. No. Middle. Yes. Oh. Alright. Well, I mean, I guess that could have been the wood. I'll have to walk down and check that out, but that sounded like a hit to me. I will confirm that later. I don't feel like walking all the way down there just for that right now. But here we go. Let me try it again. Nope. I will point out that it's definitely a downward trajectory from here to there. I'd say at the farther line it's at least a 12-foot drop. But I mean, come on man, it's a 22 pellet gun. I need every advantage I can get. Alright, let's see. That sounded like a hit. Should have 2 hits on that center bottle right now. Sounded like a hit. 3 hits on the middle. Or I'm just totally kidding myself. I'm gonna walk down there and just be brokenhearted. That sounded like it. Okay, I mean, I'm sitting down. It's, you know, it's stabilizing it a little bit. This little gun is amazing. I think I just got 3 hits in a row.